Don't get close. That's why you don't get close to him.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
Because you can't break.
Good construction too, I think.
Dang, look at that. They built a new bridge too.
That's a bridge. You will make life easy.
Yes, Naughty.
Make more money for this area.
Prepare to stop.
Oh, that's electricity.
Power plant.
That's what the Hoover Dam get electricity.
Yeah, they make electricity.
Yeah,
That's right.
Hoover Dam make electricity.
Power
Do
plant.
not walk
Power
around
plant
this.
make electricity.
Where's the power? No.
It's
Yeah.
part of it.
Y'all part of Hoover Dam right now.
Right
This
now, yeah.
is a power plant.
Right this side.
I don't know the Grand Canyon.
We are.
We are going there. It's on the way there.
That's a dam right there.
We're on it.
Where? Down there?
Is that a dam?
See?
Hi, Mama.
No, that's too small.
Prepare to stop.
Picture.
That's
Oh,
part of
that's
that
a
one.
dam, I think. This is it. That's why people stop.
Oh, why can't we stop to let them look? How they manage to stop?
Yeah. Take pictures. Come on, hurry. Yes. Good.
Can't even see. Let's see besides it.
Who saw me there? Who were
Oh, look at this. It's much better. Look at this one. What is that? I like
That's a
that one
road.
better.
The road, you see that?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Up here, so.
That's
looks scary.
why would you gonna pay somebody to walk over? Now you can get on the bridge and look down there.
There's not a bridge.
Oh, what are they making that for? Wow.
It's a bridge. Cross over.
Cross over the dam.
Yeah.
Hey, the American flag.
Look at that. Look, chào mày thơ rưỡi chiều máu cần đau lớn khơi vậy này.
Oh, yeah.
Bạch bong rồi nào này. This thing taller than the other one.
Oh, man.
Wow. What is this going to be a bridge? That's a supporting arch.
Yep.
And the bridge will go across. You see that?
Look at that. That's beautiful. We caught it before it's built. So we
Finally
witnessed.
thought about that before.
Huh?
You take a picture yet?
I got some pictures.
I'm camcording it. So. That's a big.
They're gonna open this.
They're gonna talk about it in the History Channel later on. So we witnessed it while it's building. We drove by it before it's finished.
Where's the Tarzan at? Oh, well. If you look where your mouth
I think that's a
Oh, yeah,
dam.
Mom, record.
I don't know where you put it. No more milk to you.
This
Group
is
water,
the
do you see
dam.
water?
Yes, we all see the water.
And there's a lot of people, police there.
You don't sell enough away.
Đây, những con mưa đam nha.
Wow. You can mơ đó à đây, mời kìa.
Can we just go in here?
Not yet. They won't
Oh,
let you.
it's locked.
This is a big dam.
Still under construction. Isn't it?
Yep, they're building a new section. There's one right there.
That statue.
That's how they make it. Too.
That's where tourists was a podcast.
I don't see any water down there.
It's so deep.
You can't see it yet.
I think they make the highway so this is a tool, like become a,
Bye-bye, Lan Chop.
become a tool, you know, become
Yeah.
a place. Now you drive over the dam.
Alright, the tour man said you drive over the dam.
And you come tomorrow, if you come tomorrow, it's gonna be the same thing right here.
Hey, hey, hey.
There's water.
There's water. I see a little bit of water. You see a boat?
That's what you told me, walking. Oh, there.
See water, yeah.
Clear
See
blue
water at the very bottom.
Clear water.
Where?
Look how clear water is.
Oh, that side. Sweetness. Very sweetness.
Look at that bridge. That is wow. That's nice.
Water on this side, though.
That's a beautiful bridge.
No, we're gonna drive over there, so keep it recording.
Whoa.
Dang, they built that bridge.
Look at that, the road go zigzag.
Round
We just park somewhere and go around this.
Wow.
On the way back, it'll be dark.
Look, the top of it
Mom,
is
we don't
dark,
get
and the
know.
water is lighter.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
Water go over something?
discuss.
I bet there's a light pop or pop jump by.
Yeah, I tried to step along our finish. That's a park place and
Whoa.
Well, that's a deep
that's
one,
cool.
yeah.
Whoa.
oh, you thought that is cool. When you get to Grand Canyon, it's even cooler.
Yes.
Oh, here, you can park here.
Can you?
Oh.
Hoover Dam parking.
Well, too late.
$7.
Yeah, yeah, would have been cool.
You should have parked and walked around there.
Yeah.
This
We
is a
should.
sneak peek of the
And have some
tour.
picture made. We're not gonna take that. We're not gonna take tour.
There, you can park over there too, right
This
there.
is a sneak peek.
They have one? Oh, but it's too late.
I can see the dam right now. Look.
Just have a picture made and then get going. We're not gonna take
What
any
about
tours.
this one?
Oh, why about
This
that one over
parking
there?
empty.
You can park over there too. Park?
Yeah,
Hold
we
up.
can park and take some picture and then go on. Then we don't worry about it tomorrow. Then we're not gonna take any tour.
Mama, is this thing part bleeding? Mama.
How come that other one's $7? This is free.
You're picking on it again.
I know I wasn't.
Okay.
It started by itself.
Oh, here, Danny, don't.
We're going ham today, so why?
We'll go ahead and take
Don't go
picture,
in
we're not
there.
gonna take
You
tour.
can't back out. You just better stay out here.
It's all about
All right.